If you have a free account with Mailchimp, they just announced that you are no longer going to have access to the classic automations, which means that if you do have those running, they are going to be paused until you sign up for a paid account. Mailchimp blocked brand new free accounts from having access to the automations tools about 2 or 3 years ago. At that time, I put out a video on a hack to use it, but now that that hack is no longer going to be working and any automations you set up with it are also no longer going to be working, I figured I would pop back on and give you 2 more suggestions. First, I'm going to show you another hack for an automated welcome email that will send for free in your account, at least for now, but I think this one will stick around. It is not as good as the previous one. You're not in your regular email builder, but if you want it, I will show it to you. Secondly, if you've decided that now's the time you want to upgrade to a paid account, I do have a video on how Mailchimp's pay plans work. The cheapest one, if you have under 500 subscribers, is like $13 a month. And if you're a nonprofit, there's a nonprofit discount. But if you are deciding to do that, I want you to do it in the most cost-effective way possible. So I'm offering a free custom game plan for you, where I will give you advice on what you need to do to your account before you upgrade, and then how to take advantage of all the new features that you'll get in the paid account so that spending that money on your marketing will really be worth it. If you're interested in that, I have a link above and below here. I'm going to show you that new welcome email hack, and then I'll talk to you a little bit more about what to think about if you are thinking about upgrading. For our welcome email, we are going to alter Mailchimp's default subscription sign up confirmation email. So that is way over here under audience and sign up forms. We're going to go down here to the form builder. And then in this drop-down menu here, we are going to go to the final welcome email. And then this is the default. First, you're going to want to change the branding on it. You'll do that under the design tab here. So this, you can change the color that goes around the outside. I just made it white. You can switch this text. That's the name of your audience. You can switch it out for a logo. I'm going to make mine like 300 across. This is the default of how this form looks. It's always going to have this stuff, their information that you have visible to them, and this unsubscribe if they subscribed by accident. The thing we can change is this little box, okay? And this is a text box. So I could go to a previous, I'm pretending this is my welcome email, and I can copy this and I can paste it into here. And then you can go into your text and I can change the color of this font and then save it. All right. Again, it is not a fancy email builder, but that is a way to get out a free welcome email if you're still trying to do it on a free account. Now, if you are thinking of upgrading to a paid plan, whether you take me up on my offer of free help or not, do this, okay? The way that Mailchimp charges is 2 different ways. Again, I have a video about how they structure these pay plans, but one is you're paying for the package, which is the features you have access to, and the other one is you're paying for contact tier. That's how many contacts you have. Mailchimp counts people who've unsubscribed in with your number of contacts. So you want to make sure that you archive those unsubscribed contacts before you upgrade, because you don't want people who you can't email anyway pushing you over that contact limit and increasing your bill. And of course, there's many other ways to optimize your account. I have tons of tutorial videos about that as well. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and a little thank you in the comments. I really want to get to all the people who I helped with the last video, and I'll see you around.